Becoming more with Duncan Irwe, your memory and personal development coach. Let me share with you the enemy called excuse. Man's greatest enemy is not his fellow man, but that thing called excuse. Excuse is the cheapest commodity to possess in life. If excuses were to be money, every human being would have been a multi-trillionaire in excuses. Now, these are the two things that excuse reveal about us. Number one, it reveals to us that we are not thoughtful enough to know that our life turned out to be what we make of it deliberately and personally. Number two, it also reveals to us that we have refused to take 100% responsibility for how our life has been, how our life is, and what our life is going to become. So if you want to deal with excuse, then make up your mind that going forward, you will never make room for any excuse on how to make your life get better.